And one really unique thing about Mayan languages is how they focus on action over times instead of tense. Rather than saying when something happened, past, present, or future, they often emphasize whether an action is completed, ongoing, or habitual. On top of that, they use ergative grammar, which treats the subject of a transitive verb differently from an intransitive one, something pretty rare compared to English. Combined with their ancient hieroglyphic writing system, it makes Mayan language stand out as both linguistically and historically special. And now, let's hear how the ancient Mayan language is.
Tuhopo no koking, tuhal na kaan, tutibitaw, uhopo, layosopom, yung kaan kamik, ubutsak, kak utial uchil, tukuyichyan.